Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. In the first video we again will take a look at the euro currency. Currently, as you can see, market stands in a rather choppy action since yesterday's data on the real estate market in the United States was not as positive as it was expected, and this has led to some volatility on the market. But guys, actually I think that we should not overestimate the current price action, because currently, guys, actually this week is just a pause between the or inside the long holidays. So we have the holidays on Christmas now. It's New Year's Day coming as holidays. Also will be long holidays. So that's why not really a lot of investors are returning back in this break between the holidays on the markets. That's why in general markets are thin, and we should not expect some real some kind of the idea from the investors in the directions or something that sort. It's mostly some technical action stands, and mostly the short-term speculator stands on the market right now. So investors will turn to forming of the real positions after the holidays, some period after the 3rd of January and eve of the non-farm payrolls release, getting the seat on the January. So currently, don't really pay too much attention to the action that we said that we have here. So on the daily chart picture, as you can see, hasn't changed drastically. So we said that we treat this current action as a retracement. We also have estimated the limit, upside limit of this retracement in the short term. This will be probably somewhere around 106 area. So because it is limited by the daily overbought area. So we even do not interested with the monthly pivot, they're not interested with these few levels because just distance too high. So that is really the sale of the current possible bounce. Trend stands bullish here if we even see this minor divergence, but overall background, fundamental and technical, and existence of the uncompleted ABCD target here that stands at 1 or 220 area approximately, significantly diminished chances on any reversal or something, some significant big action to the upside. That's why currently we probably should treat this upward action as retracement. Still, based on the action that we saw yesterday, today we could estimate the target of the possible retracement with better precision. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have actually, as you can see, a bit dramatic action was we thought initially that maybe market will continue to move higher directly, but based on the data release, it just has dropped slightly. But this drama has happened before we have taken the position. That's why it's really would not care about it too much. So what has happened? Market has dropped right to the weekly pivot support run, you can see, and starting upward action. So all that we have said about the possible upward retracement is still valid. So next destination point that probably could be achieved stands right here. Is confidence resistance 105.50 area and weekly pivot resistance 1. Probably it could be achieved today, tomorrow, because just based on the action. So you can see this drop testing on weekly pivot support, and right now market has returned right back up above the weekly pivot point, and this return is rather fast. So you can see nice action to the upside. All this combination suggests that market could continue to move higher and taking out of this minor resistance area. Market probably could achieve this area. So that's really what could happen here today and tomorrow in the last working day, this current year. If we'll take a look at the extensions that we have here, so first of all on the hourly chart, you could see that we have some kind of the shape of the hand shoulders. It's a bit extended and not really looks very good, but it just, you could recognize this probably left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this pattern could really provide us some assistance with estimating of the further retracement or maybe the failure on the way up. So this also could happen. So what targets we have? First of all, based on the head and shoulder extension fib level, we have A, B, C pattern. 100% stands at 105, 15, maybe 20 area. It's 100% extension. It's very close to the period resistance that stands 105.19 and confidence resistance. And also we have extended targets 1618. As you can see, it perfectly matches to classical approach to estimation on the target of the hand shoulder. So usually when we use classical method, we measure the distance between the neckline and the bottom of the head and count it from the point of the breakout to the upside. And you could see, as I said many times, that usually it coincides with the 1618 extension based on the shoulder and then the head. And it stands 106 approximately area. What is 10606? So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that this is area right here. And guys, it's what's interesting, that this is perfectly matched to 50% resistance of the whole way down. So we know that the euro currency likes the 50% levels very much. So I don't have the level itself right here, but you probably understand the distance between the middle between 338 and 618 resistance. And it will be 10606. So as a result, we could get the major agreement right at major fib level. That will be a very nice opportunity for possible taking the short position. But maybe it doesn't make sense to keep it for the holidays. We will see what action we will get tomorrow. Maybe if the situation will not be ready for taking the short, we'll postpone this idea on the next year. So also guys, this is natural support resistance area, as you can see with these lows. So that's been said, it's probably 105.50, 106 area is an area where retracement should be over. Also guys, just remind you, this will be the daily overbought. So that's why for the current week, it's absolute sale. Hardly market will pass through this area till the end of the year. So that is what we will be watching for on the coming action today, tomorrow, and let's see what we will get.